Wow. Oh, it's a massive.
Yeah, big one.
What's happened there?
It's sort of rage or something.
Yeah.
The end of the car chase. That's what I've not seen so far.
Yeah.
On the news channels, they show like live police chases.
That's just bad though to show it live.
But they got bollocks last year for doing one. I think it was Fox.
Only about 5 miles on here, then we take the left turn, I'll tell you when, and then onto the 60 up towards Camper and Woodward.
Okay, cool. Yeah, Fox News were following one. They led them to a field. They got out and shot himself in the head. It was seen live on TV.
Oh, I heard about that. Yeah.
News anchor was going ballistic because he was shouting, switch it off, switch it off.
Jesus. No, but I mean that just encourages people to do the chases to get on TV if they know, that it's going to be on TV. They shouldn't show it live. But then again, I'll be first in line to watch it on Cops.
Yeah.
In about 4 miles, we're going to take the 335 loop.
Alrighty. I always thought Alistair Bingy was a bit of a hypocrite doing police camera action when he got done for speeding.